Hello everybody, welcome to the magical world of Blue Star. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple calculator app using MIT App Inventor. Like this. So let's get started. First of all, you need to make your project by clicking on Start New Project. Then you need to decide the screen properties. So I'm going to center align it, and the background color is going to be cyan. Then we need to take two text box and then 4 buttons. Then a label. This is going to be our answer, and these are going to be our calculation buttons. Then we will take another button, which is going to be the reset button. Now you can decide the properties by you need to name them, and you can decide your alignments and your text font, text color. This is your choice. So this is what I'm going to do. Now you can see I have designed the screen. This is how it will look. Now let's go on blocks and click on divide, the first one. When divide button clicks, do set answer text to, then we need to go on math and take the division box and put it over here, and then go on number 1, then take this one number 1 text, divide by number 2 text. So our divide button is set, so we will now duplicate this and set this on multiply, and set this on addition, this one on subtraction. And then we would also need to change the blue box, the math box. So delete this, go on math again, and to take the multiply box and add it. Now we need to do this with the other 2 functions as well. Addition, this box, addition box, and then all of them are same, but the box are different. The final one, subtraction. And now these are supposed to work. Now let's see. Now we need to put the reset function. Now take the reset box. When reset clicks do. Then go on number 1, set number 1 text to, then go on the text box and take this blank text. So, and then duplicate these. Then go on answer, set answer text to blank. Now app is supposed to be ready. Now let's give it a test. You can use emulator, which is the virtual screen, but you will need to install some files. So it's better to go on AI Companion. You will get this code and you can download MIT AI to your companion app, so you can scan the QR code and connect with the code. Now you can see it's our app is ready. Divide by 2, multiply, addition, subtraction, and reset. So it's working. Now this is actually just to test. So if you close your mobile, so all the data will go. So you can actually go on QR code reader. You can download this app as well, and then go on build and build the QR code for the app. So this will make a QR code to install the full app. You can publish this on Play Store by making an account on Google Console, but you will need to pay for $24. Or else you can even publish this on AI2U gallery. Now you can scan the code and go on search. Wait a minute. Go on browse website. You can click on copy content and then go on Google Chrome and then paste it. So you go on the website and it will then download the app. Now you can install this. And if you want to keep the icon, you will need to go on screen settings and upload icon, like this calculator icon. Now the app is fully installed and you can now use this offline. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoy making this app. So please like and share this video, and yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.